Hey, what's up guys? Just getting ready to go for a bike ride around Vancouver. So we just biked past a few beaches. Now we're headed to a point by UBC. Just got off the bike for a second to hike down this trail. It's incredible in here. Alright, so this is a good little bike ride and hike. Pretty nice day to be down here at the beach. If you've never been to BC, you gotta come check it out. Legs are feeling good, got some exercise. Hopefully it'll help for snowboard season. See you guys in the next video.